Investmate app. The pros, the cons. Investmate is a mobile app designed to teach investing and personal finance through interactive lessons and practice portfolios. But is it the right choice for you? Starting with the pros. First, education. Investmate breaks down complex concepts like stocks, ETFs, and compound interest into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. Second, practice portfolios. Users can simulate trading with virtual money, gaining hands-on experience without risking real funds. Third, gamification. Quizzes, achievements, and progress tracking make learning fun and encourage regular engagement. Now, the cons. One limitation is investment execution. The app doesn't allow real trading, so knowledge gain must be transferred elsewhere. Another drawback is limited depth. Advanced investors may find the educational content too basic. The surprising truth? Investmate is highly effective for beginners, but those seeking direct trading or complex strategies will need additional platforms. In conclusion, the pros: education, practice portfolios, and gamification make Investmate ideal for beginners wanting to learn investing fundamentals. The cons: no real trading and limited depth mean advanced investors will need more robust tools.